Hey, Jermaine here. I just want to go through a quick little back office tour of the Matrix Pro Leads. So I can just show you what you're getting here. Okay. Like I said, if you sign up as an affiliate, you'll get this back office right here where you will be selling buyers leads to your customers and clients. Okay. Or either you can be a customer and just buy them for yourself. All right. So let me just take you to the About Us page. All right. This is about the founder. He built a company, customers of our affiliates in order to benefit from our products and services and to reward those introduce them to others. Okay. Driving business to success one lead at a time. The founder is Billy Hayes, and you might know them from a company called Print Founders. They print a lot of drop cards, envelopes, postcards for different affiliate companies. Okay, that you can get, and I'll show you that in a minute. He is the CEO of America's fastest growing business opportunity buyer lead service. Not business seeker; these are business buyers. Okay, so and it's a lead program where you can sell leads, buyers leads to your clients and customers. Okay, and you can use them for yourself. All right, let me show you the product here. This is actually a great system. This is something that you really want to get in because everybody needs leads. Who doesn't need leads for their business? All right. Matrix Pro Leads is focused on one thing, providing you with America's best business opportunity buyers leads. Okay. And one thing I like about this system too is they have the NICSI guarantee. So if any of your mail pieces, direct mail pieces are sent back, you get 50 cents for each one that they send back. Okay. And you have the 2-for-1 guarantee if you use email marketing or over the phone, addresses or bad phone numbers. All right. They give you 2-for-1 for every bad one that you get. Okay. And like I said, you can come down here as a customer or as a customer or as an affiliate. An affiliate right now is $4.95. They're thinking about making it free right now. Okay. So it's $4.95 a month. And if you want to be a business builder, you can you'll just do an auto ship of leads for $30 a month. So $34 a month, all right, to run a business. All right. And you're getting leads that you can mail out to. All right. Um, let me see. Opportunity here. All right. Now, once you come here to the opportunity, like I said, you can sign up as an affiliate. They'll give you a personalized link. I'm sorry, that you can instantly share with others to start earning. Okay, you earn 33% commissions on every order placed through your affiliate link. And you're not just going to get, when you get people in here, you're going to get repeat customers. So you get this repeated. Okay, you get repeat business with leads. All right. Um, and you instantly upgrade to a business builder, like I was saying, by purchasing a minimum of 100 opportunity secrets monthly. All right. And you get paid down 10 levels deep. And I think they're about to go to 12 levels deep. All right. We have a Facebook group that you can sign up to. We have people making money and doing good with this. All right. Um, Let me show you the marketing materials that we have. All right. You got we got drop cards. All right, you got drop cards here, personalized with your website. You can drop these and get some business. Um, Let me show you what else we got here. They got flyers. Got flyers here. Okay. Once you mail these out, somebody can mail them back with cash or money order to you. All right. They'll send $29. It's different prices. They'll send money to you and they'll send money to your company. All right. And both spots down here. Or I can just go to your website. Most people go to your website. All right. And I'm going to show you the website where you can capture leads. It's a third party system that they have. All right. That can go with this. You can actually build your list too. All right. So they'll go here. You have your ID. You get your ID once you become an affiliate. Everything will be on this flyer. I'll show you in a minute the live flyers that I have. Okay. So let's go back. All right. Oh, matter of fact, let me show you. You have matter of fact, better yet, let me show you. If you can see this. All right. Business. These are postcards. All right. Hope you can see that. These are my postcards. GetBuyersLeadsNow.com. The link will be in the description. All right. You got the back, the front of it. All right. You can send out. Let me show you these are the business cards right here. All right. That's my business cards I got made up. I got about 500 each. And these are the drop cards. All right. These are the drop cards. Let me show you some envelopes. These are the envelopes. All right. These are the envelopes I'm mailing out. So I'm not just talking about it. I'm actually doing it. All right. Got the stamps, postcard stamps, envelope stamps ready to go. All right. And let me show you the thing I really like about this. So you're not just going to be up here trying to sell leads yourself. We actually have a third party system for $19.95 a month. Okay, that you can use to bring customers in the video to explain everything about the business. This was what I want you to do is just click that link below. Once you opt in, you'll go to my sales page. All right, it explains everything on the sales page. All right, let me just show you right here. Is what you'll be getting. All right. Free video, $30 leads program, unlimited income potential, pays you weekly. New lead generation system, get Biz-Opp buyers, not seekers. 100 Biz-Opp buyers leads for just $30. Call, SMS, ringless voicemail, direct mail. Okay, plus residuals. And then after you opt into this page that you will get to, you'll go to my sales page here. All right, now this video right here.
Hi, and welcome to Matrix.
We'll explain everything.
My name's Leroy. I'm going to be your guest host on this short video presentation. I've got some leads and some information that you're going to be very, very excited about. In fact,
so you'll come here, 22-minute video will show you everything. All right, go down here. He explain the commission payout, everything. So once you become an affiliate and you get started, this video, this system right here will set everything up for you. And once you go down here, click on this button here to get started. You'll go to this page. All right, my page, and you'll see DTM Marketing Group. All right, and like I said, if you got any questions at all about this system, about getting started, my info is right down here. You can call me, or you can email me. Use the 800 number right there to call me, or you can email me here at support@dtmmarketingonline.com. Okay, it's just this simple. It's really not too much more to even go through because it's just a simple business selling leads. What's more better than selling leads to every business out here that needs leads? You understand what I'm saying? So I also have a video description where I actually went to the post office. If you see down, you'll look down in my description. You'll see where I actually drove to the post office and shipped my envelopes and postcards out. Okay. And once again, once you get your back office, you will have your ID here. You'll have your website. This will be your Matrix Pro Leads address, and you can get paid through Pay Quicker. They'll give you a debit card. All right, and right here is with my capture page. To this page I just showed you here, you'll get that link to set up this business. Okay, so selling leads. That's what you're doing. You're selling leads. All right, business buyer leads. That is the business. So click the link below. Get started. Hope to see you on the inside. All right. If you have any questions, like I said, you can contact me on the sales page. All right.